everyone and welcome back. If you are new to this channel, please go and watch this video from the top right corner, somewhere around here. If not, just keep on watching. So we are going to use a new account. I already have around $2,000 in this account because I already have some investments in it, but this doesn't matter. We are going to look at the result. As you can see, we are down $300. It doesn't bother me so much because I invest with a very long time horizon in mind. So just so you know, this is our starting point. Today we are going to make our very first investment on this channel. So the pick for today is going to be Chainlink. Now, why did I choose Chainlink is because I do believe that it strongly aligns with Warren Buffett principles. Because Chainlink has very strong partnerships and it really reflects Buffett principle of investing in companies with clear competitive advantages and a very solid foundation. Chainlink also adds more functionality to the blockchain. So I think it's a really strong pick. Let's go ahead, search for link, and here it is. Now let's just place an order, market order, and I am going to invest 100 USDT. Buy link. It should be almost done. It looks like that. We go to the wallet and spot, and we should be able to find it here. Let's see. It's in, and here it is. This is our very first investment. Yep, that's it for today. If you like our concept, if you want to follow along this journey, please subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.